got me holding on, baby. Yeah.
Look like he done bone and grown because he holding on. And boom, I'm ringing through these streets until I break the dawn. And claim you over that, but you're running right back, Bonnie. Don't you know you done and didn't skip that journey below? Step it up and then the nigga back and back. And if the nigga slipping up, then the nigga popping back. What's up?
Baby.
Yo, pull up to my shit, I straight stay in this. Bitch, I hear the chainsaw, bitch. He's close, get him. I'm a lock trick, so I'm a lost this up. You gotta go down the stairs. Yes, cause nigga, he can't get in here. You gotta stay. Careful. Come through here. Hey, if your screen turns yellow, that means one of them by you.
This y'all first time playing?
What's this?
Hell no, like the dirt type shit.
Alright, bet.
Oh! Yeah! Don't run, bitch, you gonna alert that. Oh, God damn it!
I'm working on North Tunnel right now.
Move, oh, fucking save me! Oh, don't move. Grandpa's awake. Oh my God. Where are you at? I don't know, nigga. I'm with this girl. Nigga, I got someone wanting to buy me. One of them buy me. Here. The fuck did the black dude do? He got extra hearing. I think you're like right next to us, nigga. Hell no. Run, Joni. Oh, me.
Okay, it's open.
Bitch, where you at, nigga? This nigga fucking... I hear this nigga saw. Oh, fuck. That nigga's right there. At? Watch out.
Just to let y'all know, I got the door open to the stairs.
Look at this bitch ass nigga. He right here.
It leads upstairs. Hold on.
Where's the stair
Y'all
at?
still in the basement?
Look at this dumbass nigga. Yeah, I'm still in the basement too. Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna see if I can come down and find you.
This is good.
My controller's stuck on stick shift. Oh, fuck. Bitch, he's on me, bitch! Hey, nigga, I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking good. I'm playing Texas. Hey, nigga, I see you. Come over here. Bitch, you staring me, bitch! Bro, this nigga just fucking stabbed me 30 times, bitch. This nigga just stabbed me fucking 30 times, bitch.
All right, y'all, I'm about to help y'all out.
Bro, I need fucking help. I ain't gonna lie.
I got you, man. Hold on.
Is this he? Oh, this BG, he's coming, bitch. He's right there. He's right there. Hide.
I don't see him.
Nigga, he's right there. Look at my fucking bag,
So,
nigga.
this both y'all in the basement. Okay.
He just caught up.
Go back that way through that. There, son.
Which way?
To your left.
Found you.
I'm trying to see where you are.
I don't like
Yeah,
this
go ahead straight through
boy.
there. Go through that to where the bones are.
This?
Yup, be careful. Just go through there. And if I want to say you're gonna head to your right.
Take it right.
Oh no, come back. Turn your screen so I can see where you're going. Alright, go straight back through that way you just came from. Yep. Right through there. Stay still.
Stand still, bitch. Oh my god. Fuck, you got us caught. Let's go, bitch! Let's go! Ooh, fuck, nigga.
Head to your... Yep, keep going that way, Sonny. To your right. Yep.
Bro, I'm fucking cooked. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, he didn't see me.
Go to your
He
right,
didn't see
to your
me.
right, to your right. To your right, because he's right behind you.
Oh, bitch.
All right.
Ran out of sprint, nigga.
Leland, I got you. I'm going to try to get you. But try to avoid. Go straight. Hurry up before he come back. Go to your right, to straight.
Yeah,
Yep.
this nigga fucking
Straight,
brutally
run, just run
molested my face
before he
and
comes
shit.
back. Run.
Motherfucking chainsaw.
All right, I'm gonna get you out here, but you gotta follow directions. Go to your right. Yep. Oh, he's coming back. Okay, no, you good. Keep going
He's
straight.
right there.
Yeah, just be careful. Don't hit nothing hard. You can go to your left. I got that door open. Go ahead and open it. Run.
Yeah,
Run to the
bitch.
ladder. Run to
Yeah.
the ladder. Run to the ladder. Yep, and go up.
I'm that bitch, nigga. I'm touching.
All right, you're gonna go to the door to your right. Run straight up those stairs. Yep, straight. To the right. Come back. Up. To the left, right there, yep. And run on out. Yep, to your right.
How many are there?
And then go straight ahead to the right side,
Yeah,
though.
it's the house and shit.
To the right, yep. And go straight on out the house. And I got the gate open already.
Beat. Oh, shit.
Lost him again.
If you guys ever want to play with me, hit me up. Shit, I'm down.
Somehow.
Oh, fuck. I locked in.
Let's go, y'all.
They can not play with the Leatherface. I didn't know that.
How long y'all been playing?
Maybe through here?
Oh, I used to play when the game first came out a whole bunch, and then I quit. And then there's a bunch of cheaters.
Welcome back. It's been
I
about...
don't know these new maps though. I don't know if this is a new one. I don't really remember.
It's kind of... It's pretty much old.
I gotta get to the others.
Come with me if you want to live.
Glad you're here.
Thank the Lord you're alive. No, careful.
I can use this.
Is this the way I want to go? Yeah.
Got the gate sewer open.
All right, I'm going for garden storage.
Yeah, I got sewer open. It's nighttime. Fuck.
All right, y'all, run up the damn driveway. Run up the driveway.
Turn off car battery. I'm going out battery side. Yep, I just got battery. Oh wait, fuck!
Somebody came over.
No. I thought I turned it off. Did they not even turn on the battery?
Just a little
That's
farther.
what it sounds like. They never turned it on.
What an idiot. I'm an idiot for falling for it, actually.
There you go, Jason. Get the fuck out of there. You got it. Ain't nobody up there.
I'm an idiot.
If that side
Sorry.
don't work for you, just go out the front. It's already open and everything.
I got that shit unlocked. I'm just gonna go back to it. I should be cool.
Yeah, at this point, just make it a little bit more fun. You got a party of folks that you usually play with? I need some more people to play with for real.
No, not really. I got a homie that I be playing with, but I've been trying to get my homies to hop back on this shit. It's free on PlayStation now, but I'm trying to start playing it again because it's pretty fun.
It definitely hit me because I ain't got nobody to play with. I'd be bored.
Nah, yeah, me too, bro. I be playing Siege, bro, but none of my homies ever be on when I'm trying to play.
Anything I can use?
Just need a game to play solo or nobody else is on type shit.
Yep.
I was pretty high level though whenever I used to play. I was like level 40 something, level 50 back when the game first came out.
And where you at now?
But I don't know, bro. This is my fucking I had to switch accounts because I'm on PlayStation now and I was on PC when I played this game to begin with.
Are they gone?
That's what I'm on too. I got it for both PlayStation 5 and PlayStation and for computer just in case somebody wants to play with me and shit.
Yeah, I had it on PC, bro. Then my PC just pooped out on me, bro, and I haven't got a new one ever since. So I've been just fucking playing on my PS5 and seeing this shit was free, bro.
Yes.
Oh shit, this motherfucker.
At least you're giving the new people something to do.
I'm dead. Oh my god, it's gonna be one of these, bro. They're just camping the exit.
Oh, nice. Okay.
You're actually, if you don't know already, you're literally next to the exit that you just was about to escape out of.
I don't know this map at all. I don't even know where I'm going.
Come back over the barricade. Come back over the barricade.
I don't see them.
Go straight ahead around that corner. Yep, that's the exit, and it takes you right back to the battery exit. Depending on what side you open, if you open the gate, go to the left side. I wonder if we had somebody at DC, because I'm like, damn, there's only 2 people playing?
I can't believe they let me get out.
My name is the same on... Oh, shit. My name is the same on here as it is on Instagram. Hit me up if you want to play, man.
I bet, here.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Hey, Chloe, look over here. Hey, Connie, over here. Maybe I can open these doors. I gotta find a way out here.
Is that a way through?
Hide, they're coming.
Leatherface ain't doing shit but standing still. Now he's finally doing something.
Shit. Quiet. Shit. Shit. Are they gone? Please. Please, let them be gone. I gotta stay away. I can't get seen again. Oh my God. Thank you. They're everywhere. Are they gone? Are they really gone? I think it's clear. Maybe. There they are again. I need to lose them. Now. Thank God. I don't see them. No sign. I know they're still around. Watch myself. They're gone for now. Okay, just keep moving. Good. This'll help. I gotta stay away.
You two? What the hell is going on here?
I can't get seen again. Oh, nice. Okay. Yes, I did it. They're everywhere. Jesus. God.